On Sunday, Jamaica felt the tremors of two significant earthquakes, even though they didn't actually happen here. The first quake, a magnitude 5.6, hit at 10:50 a.m., and an hour later, a stronger 6.8 magnitude tremor followed. Both quakes occurred along the Oriente Fault Line, located south of Cuba. Even though these quakes weren't centered in Jamaica, they were close enough that we still felt the rumbling across multiple parishes. The fault line they occurred on runs just far enough away that we were spared major damage, but the quake's strength and depth made them noticeable. So, while the quakes didn't happen in Jamaican territory, their power was strong enough to give us quite a shake.